Happy Valentine's Day. And for Valentine's Day, of course, I have to give you a drink that I love. So, you know, most of the time I give you a technique trick or something easy to switch or swap or whatever. But today we're just going to do a cocktail that's all about invoking that feeling of love and making a drink for yourself, for self-love, or someone that you love. And you know what? Most of the time I just love me, so it's fine. So here we go, right? We are going to use pineapple. You're going to use about 2 ounces. And this is a fresh pineapple. I did not cut it. You know what I mean? I got it from the store already cored. I do believe that you need the fresh ingredients, so please use it. So 2 ounces. If you are not a great muddler, cut it a little bit smaller. If you're a fabulous muddler, put the big chunk in there. You're going to take your muddling stick. And if you don't have one of these and you have a blender at home, you can do the same thing. That's totally fine. Or not a blender, a fork, a little bit more effort. But stick with the fresh. I'm telling you, it's totally worth it. So we're going to muddle this and make a lot of noise while we're doing that. And you're going to get that off there, and you have a little bit of juice that you can see in there, right? You have a little bit of juice on the bottom, and that's what you're looking for. You're going to add 2 ounces of rum, and we're using a white rum. I actually chose Cotton Reed, which is a local rum here in Washington, D.C. It's a nice dry rum. It's really great. Just use a nice dry white rum for this cocktail. Trust me, it'll totally work. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of Luxardo cherry syrup. All right, juice, whatever you want to do. Maraschino cherries will not do the same thing. So what you're going to put in there is about 1 bar spoon. And you give it a little mix. It's really, really thick, and you want to look down in your shaker tin and see the color. And maybe if you like it a little bit sweeter, this is your only sugar, and I do like a little sweet on Valentine's Day. So I'll put a second bar spoon in there. And we're going to put this in there, and you're like, Gina, how can that be a cocktail? There's not enough volume to be a cocktail. Well, you're correct, because we're going to fill this glass with champagne. So first we're going to do is top that with our shaker tin. Give it a little shake. And then we're going to strain this into our little, I love these glasses. They're called boppy glasses, and they're from the 30s. So what's even cuter than this apron is the boppy. And we're going to pour the rum and cherry and pineapple into our glass. And then we're going to add a bit of bubbles to the top. It's going to get nice and foamy and delicious, which is my fave. And what's better than giving, your lover a little bit of bubbles on the holiday? Even though it's a Valentine's Day, it's become like a Hallmark holiday, people say. It's really still a time to just really tell the person that you love that, they're great. And if it's just for you, it's just for you. You're going to add a little cherry on the bottom, and you sip and enjoy. So happy Valentine's Day to all you lovers or self-lovers out there.